limited to 25 people indoors and 50 people outdoors. Governor Raimondo says she feels confident and safe to enter into phase 3. However, she notes that cases are spiking in several states, and the governor says she's asking everyone to do the right thing and continue wearing masks and to maintain social distancing. The COVID-19 death toll in Rhode Island is now at 946. Since Friday, there have been 19 virus-related deaths and 107 new cases. 73 people were hospitalized, with 15 patients in intensive care, 14 of them on ventilators. A 26-year-old Woonsocket man charged with first-degree murder is being held without bail. No plea was entered when Paul Raposo was arraigned today for the shooting death of his 30-year-old roommate, Derek Desjardins. The victim was found dead in his apartment shortly after 8 o'clock on Friday morning. Cumberland-based Ann and Hope is closing all of its curtain and bath outlet stores in the next 3 to 4 months. The company says the decision is largely based on the significant economic impact of the pandemic. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Investigating reports of Russian bounties. I'm Rich Dennison, Fox News. The White House says President Trump wasn't personally briefed on U.S. intelligence assessments that Russia offered bounties to the Taliban to kill Americans in Afghanistan.
There is no consensus within the intelligence community on these allegations, and in effect, there are dissenting opinions from some in the intelligence community with regards to the veracity of what's being reported.
White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany this afternoon says the president has yet to be briefed on the reports. The president earlier tweeting he was not briefed because the evidence against Russia is not credible. The Supreme Court today in a 5-4 ruling striking down a Louisiana law regulating abortion clinics. Chief Justice John Roberts joining with his 4 more liberal colleagues in ruling that the law requiring doctors who perform abortions have admitting privileges at nearby hospitals violates the abortion rights the court first announced in the 1973 Roe v. Wade decision. A suspect dubbed the Golden State Killer pleading guilty today to a number of murders, rapes, kidnappings, and other crimes committed in the 70s and 80s.
The now 74-year-old former police officer Joseph James D'Angelo was wheeled into the large university ballroom wearing a face shield.
You cannot change your mind after I accept your pleas today. Do you understand, sir?
Yes. Deputy District Attorney Ken Ho said the number of crimes D'Angelo committed in several counties was staggering,
encompassing 13 known murders and almost 50 rapes.
D'Angelo said guilty to the murders and kidnappings, and I admit to crimes uncharged due to statute of limitations. He will be sentenced in August to multiple life sentences.
Fox's Jessica Rosenthal. D'Angelo was spared the death penalty through a plea deal. Stocks ending the day with solid gains. The Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ all closing higher. America is listening to Fox News.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast. Scattered showers and the chance for a thunderstorm until later tonight. In fact, we may have a shower in the area until just before midnight. Otherwise, mainly cloudy and muggy, lows in the mid-60s. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, scattered showers and the chance for a thunderstorm developing through the day. Highs in the mid-70s. Partly sunny Wednesday with a chance for showers and storms, mostly in the afternoon. Wednesday's high again in the mid-70s. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Mark Searles on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by Churches.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
Earlier accident, 295 south at exit 15 has cleared residual traffic in that area. Then you're slowing down on 295 south, getting on to 95 south. Construction delays there on the south side and northbound side of exit